Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to an Instagram business account. Whether you have a personal account or a creator account, you can always switch over to a business account and get the added analytics and features and also the email address as well as phone number on there. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Once you're in your settings, scroll down. Under your insights and tools, tap on account type and tools. Tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next at the bottom. Choose what category you want. In my case, I'm going to choose digital creator and toggle on display on profile. Tap switch to professional account. And this is where you'll be able to decide whether you want a creator account or a business. In this case, tap on business and tap next at the bottom. You'll be able to choose whether you want your contact information shown on there for your business as well as the address. In my case, I'm going to choose don't use my contact info. You can choose to link up a Facebook page, but in my case, I'm going to choose skip. And now I'll tap the X at the top right. After I've done that, I can take my finger and swipe down, and you'll be able to see I have a business account because it says digital creator here, and I can tap on professional dashboard, and it will indicate that I have a business account with all of the analytics and features. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.